Hey everyone, check this out. I finally got my hands on the brand new Redmi 15. Let's get right into it. The packaging is super sleek and minimalistic as always. With these phones from Xiaomi, okay, let's see what comes inside. And there it is, looking pretty good. And of course, you get all your standard accessories packed neatly inside. So you've got the power adapter, USB cable, and even a handy little screen protector. First impressions. Wow, I love the matte finish on this back panel. Let's turn it around and see what the display looks like up close. And here's another cool feature. They included a built-in stand. This should be super useful when watching videos or taking selfies. Anyway, enough about the hardware. Now for the most important part, the software experience. Let's go ahead and boot it up. So as soon as you open it, you can immediately start customizing everything, from your wallpaper to your app layout. Overall, first impressions are pretty solid. The Redmi 15 seems well built and has a clean interface. Definitely worth checking out.